today we are entering a new era in offset printing, autonomous printing. We at Heidelberg call it push to stop. Welcome to Heidelberg, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome here in the commercial area. The question, what is push to stop, I will not be able to answer by myself. That's why I'm glad I've got two experts from Heidelberg here with me on stage. Please welcome with me Ray and Johannes. Hi Ray.
How you doing, Philip?
Johannes. Hi. Yes, thanks for the applause. Johannes, just to make sure that everyone understands why this is a new era, I'd like you to produce 3 jobs on this machine in, let's say, how much talking do we have? Like 8 minutes? 3 jobs. Yeah? Okay, perfect. So, off you go. So he's trying to produce 3 jobs on the machine in 8 minutes, and we're going to have a look at what the XL 106 actually does. Huh?
Perfect. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to day 7 at drupa. Today we're going to produce for you the entire content of this catalog. It consists of 3 producing separate forms, each one a 15-page signature. We're going to print 300 books, and we're going to do it all in 8 minutes. 300 books. I don't know. Just watching the stuff now. 1 minute on okay, let's go. Watch the middle, Alright. So only 2 more to go. Got it? What works really? What you are seeing here is autonomous printing by Heidelberg, or what we call push to stop.
Okay.
Yep.
But it's just 1 job.
Yep. 2 more to go.
Alright, yeah, but he just wanders off.
Well, what you see Johannes doing is getting things ready for other tasks on the press, like getting the plates ready for job number 3, which you are going to see here in just a few minutes.
Okay.
Push to stop is the new benchmark in machine operation. This means production without interruption or interference, and only stopping the machine when you want it to. It's true manufacturing, ladies and gentlemen, and why we've called it push to stop.
Okay, but that's completely new, right? So all the processes have to be automated? Or?
Absolutely. What we are demonstrating here today is a first in the history of sheet fed commercial offset printing. The ability to print 3 completely separate forms fully automatically without interruption. I know it sounds incredible and I know it's hard to believe, but it's true.
Yeah, but in order for me to believe it, you have to tell me how it works.
Sure. Well, fully automated print manufacturing is now made possible through the networking of all the production equipment and the use of intelligent automation. That's what's allowing Johannes to be free to do other tasks that add value.
What is he doing right now?
So the only thing you'll see Johannes doing up here today is changing the plates in and out of the cassette. So by reducing the throughput of the machine and greatly speeding up make-ready times, we are increasing the net output of the machine. And that's why Heidelberg has really taken the lead in this area of autonomous printing with the principle push to stop.
So this is the plate for job number 3, which you just put in, right?
That's correct.
Okay.
Job number 2 is already in process.
Okay. What else do I need to think about if I want to produce with push to stop on my machine?
Well, the biggest thing you need to know, Philip, is that all the components are involved in push to stop. First, you need to have great service. Then you need to have the right mix of consumables. And of course, you need the Protect workflow. Today, featuring the Protect Press Center XL2 operating console, featuring the patented IntelliStar computer operating system.
And we feed the machine as well, right?
Oh yeah, this beautiful XL 106 printing machine that we're standing on here today. This machine is an 8-color printing on 2 sides. Job number 2, up and running. He's not afraid, handing out sheets already.
Wow.
So this machine is equipped with Protect Impress Control. Impress Control is an inline color measurement and control system that now has this new feature, Quality Assist. This allows the option to go straight into print production mode as long as the quality parameters are met. Okay. Sounds like a lot, but think about what we're saying. We're able to go from make ready to good sheet production by hitting a targeted delta E value and running straight good sheets. It's a breakthrough in sheet fed offset printing. Then we're going to load the plates with our auto plate XL2. It's going to load all plates simultaneously. Then we're going to wash the blankets and the impression cylinders at the same time. We're drying the sheets with our new TriStar LED curing system, today located at Units 4 and after Unit 8.
That was the blue light that I just saw, yeah?
The blue light that is instantly drying the sheets and allowing the sheets to go straight into post-press.
Okay.
So as you can see, everything working together, cooperating, coordinated, and working in perfect harmony.
So this gentleman will not have ink on his fingers now?
This gentleman will not have ink on his fingers.
Okay, so it's completely dry.
Is that sheet completely dry, sir? Is that sheet dry?
Yeah.
That sheet's dry.
Okay. Johannes? What are you doing? Come on, it's job number 3 you needed.
We're doing autonomous printing, Philip.
But he's
Johannes is busy
we are doing all the
other
job
tasks
here.
that add value.
He's just standing there.
I know. We're doing all the work.
Okay. You mentioned Prenect. What is Prenect?
So Prenect is the print shop workflow that automates, integrates, and controls the entire print manufacturing process. It's a powerful software that maximizes production efficiencies and is also useful in the business environment.
Okay, and then the consumables, you said you need the right mix of consumables. Why would you recommend the Heidelberg consumables especially?
That's easy, Philip. I mean, at Heidelberg, we test all our consumables so that they're perfectly coordinated between the machine and the application to ensure the best results. You know, our consumables are available to our customers around the clock, 24/7 from our e-shop, and we can deliver them at lightning speed.
Okay, and then you mentioned service. Oh yeah. Do some service. That's good.
There you go.
Some cleaning. Very good.
Okay.
At least something.
Yeah. You know, service is always working in the background, but to us, service is all about uptime. Our predictive monitoring service features intelligent sensors inside the machine that continuously transmits data to our big data analysis platform. Should something happen outside the parameters of normal production, then a preventative maintenance ticket is triggered. Okay? Now this maintenance ticket can either be handled remotely, or perhaps a technician has to come on site. But our customers are assured with their comfort that unplanned downtimes can now be avoided.
Sorry to interrupt here.
Problem.
7 minutes and 42 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. A big hand for Johannes and possibly as well the machine. Because Johannes didn't do much. I saw that, Johannes. And if you ever tell your wife that you have to work hard and that's why you came home late, that's a good, and that brings me to the smart ideas of Heidelberg. You've been working for Heidelberg for quite some time. What's the idea you're committed to? What's the driving force?
Why do we do what we do? Why do I love working here? Well, you know, Philip, at Heidelberg, all our processes and services are driven towards one thing, and that is achieving overall equipment efficiency in production for our customers. And as they have come to know it, it's OEE.
Okay, so you mentioned OEE, and I'm reading Simply Smart all over the place, but I still don't know what Simply Smart means.
So we say Simply Smart because all our procedures and workflows are now much less complex, but they do more and more and more. So what we're saying is that everything is simpler because everything is smarter. I mean, this digital workflow that you have witnessed here today is equally as important in push to stop as all the other products that we've shown you.
Okay, so if I understand it right, the complexity of operation decreases,
Yep.
and by the interaction of all areas and processes, we can increase efficiency and productivity. Now, let's have a look one last time at our examples to see how.
What have we done? In a few short minutes, we produced 3 completely separate forms, a 48-page booklet, 300 copies of each, hitting really, really low delta E quality control targets, and I'm pretty sure we did it in less than 8 minutes.
That's right, yeah.
So now we have the jobs on the floor, but we need to move them into post-press. Our customers often receive orders for jobs today that they need to deliver tomorrow. And that's why we've installed the TriStar LED curing system on this press, so once matched with Saphira consumables, can be sent directly to post-press. And this is a critical part of the overall production process for our customers to remain competitive.
Okay, so let me try to sum this up again.
Go for it.
For the first time in the history of offset printing, we have shown you the ability to print multiple jobs fully automatically. In this case, 3 signatures with 2 job changes in under 8 minutes. The principle push to stop is a paradigm shift for the industrial printing industry. It's revolutionary.
Revolutionary. I like that word, Philip.
Is that okay?
I think you got it. And
Yeah.
I think our customers learned a lot in the
Good.
last 8 minutes as well.
I tried my very best. Thank you very much, Ray,
Thank
for
you.
all your explanations. Ray,
Thanks
ladies
all.
and gentlemen.